First things first, prior to making the sorbet, freeze the pineapple chunks. Peel, core, and cut a fresh pineapple into chunks. Spread them on a baking sheet with parchment paper and freeze until they're solid, preferably overnight. When the pineapple chunks are frozen solid, it's time to blend. Scoop them into a food processor or a high-powered blender, add 2 tablespoons of honey, and blend on high speed. The goal is to get a smooth, creamy texture from the mixture. You might need to stop and push down the pineapple chunks a few times to ensure even blending. After blending, check the consistency of your sorbet. It should be thick and smooth. If it's too thick or difficult to blend, don't hesitate to add a little bit of water or more honey. This will help it blend more easily without becoming too runny. For those who like a soft serve texture, serve the sorbet immediately after blending. But if you prefer a firmer consistency, transfer the sorbet to an airtight container and freeze for 1 to 2 hours until it firms up a bit more. When serving, scoop the pineapple sorbet into bowls or cones. Feel free to garnish with a sprig of mint or a small slice of pineapple for a decorative touch. Remember, the sweetness of your sorbet depends on the sweetness of your pineapple and your taste preference. You can adjust the amount of honey to your liking. You can taste the mixture after blending and add more honey if needed. Storage is a breeze. Pineapple sorbet can be stored in the freezer for up to a month in an airtight container. However, for the best texture, enjoy it within the first week. There you have it, a delicious and healthy pineapple sorbet. Perfect for those warm summer days or whenever you crave a refreshing treat. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.